Okay, I looked everywhere and I could not find my Birkenstocks. So I'll have to settle for hiking boots. But here we go with the earth-friendly, environmentally conscious real mower from Fiskars. So let's see how it goes. This stuff hasn't been mowed in a while, by the way. I don't know, we'll see. Not bad. Quiet. I like that. My tie-dyed shirt's in the wash too. Kumbaya, kumbaya. I'm really going to try not to step in the poison ivy down here. So in all fairness, and all kidding aside, Birkenstocks and tie-dyed shirts notwithstanding, I gotta say this Fiskars lawnmower does a pretty good job on my overgrown fescue, and I have some Bermuda out front. I'll try it there too. But you know, some performance measurements. I am not sweating any worse in this heat pushing that than I did with the gas mower, which was self-propelled. So I would say the sweat index is about the same. The noise index is much, much lower. And all in all, the stuff I've done, actually it looks like it's been mowed. So not bad stuff. I'm gonna keep on mowing.